Think starting a business takes years? What if I told you I learned to run one in 30 days? Are you ready to discover the exact 5 steps that made it possible? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as we're diving into the exciting world of online entrepreneurship and how you can kickstart your own online business in just 1 month. Whether you've been dreaming of launching a side hustle or looking to transition into full-time entrepreneurship, this video is designed for you. We'll explore the essential steps to get your business off the ground, from identifying your niche to setting up your website and marketing your products or services effectively. Throughout this journey, we'll share valuable tips and resources that can help you navigate the challenges of starting an online business. You'll learn about the tools you need, the common pitfalls to avoid, and how to create a sustainable business model that works for you. By the end of this video, you'll not only feel inspired, but also equipped with actionable strategies to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. So, if you're ready to take control of your future and explore the limitless potential of online business, stick around. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Step 1. Identify your niche. Choosing the right niche is a crucial first step in your online business journey. It's essential to select a niche that not only excites you, but also has a viable audience. Start by researching potential niches that spark your interest. Look for areas where your passions intersect with market demand. This alignment will keep you motivated and engaged as you build your business. Next, analyze your competitors within those niches. Understanding market saturation is key. You want to find a balance where there's enough demand, but not so much competition that it becomes overwhelming. Look for gaps in the market where you can offer something unique or improved. Finally, consider your skills and passions. Building a business requires commitment. And if you're working in a niche that you love, you're more likely to stick with it through the ups and downs. By focusing on what you enjoy and what the market needs, you'll set a solid foundation for your online business that can lead to long-term success. So take your time with this step. It's worth the effort. Step 2. Create a business plan. Creating a solid business plan is essential for guiding your online venture and ensuring you stay on track. Start by defining your business goals. What do you want to achieve in the short and long term? Next, identify your target audience. Understanding who your customers are will help you tailor your products or services to meet their needs effectively. A unique selling proposition, USP, is also crucial. What sets your business apart from the competition? Clearly articulating your USP will help you attract and retain customers. In addition to these foundational elements include financial projections in your plan. Estimate your startup costs, ongoing expenses, and potential revenue. This will give you a clearer picture of your business's financial health and help you make informed decisions. Don't forget to outline your marketing strategies. How will you reach your audience? Consider various channels like social media, email marketing, and content creation. To streamline the planning process, use templates or online tools designed for business planning. These resources can save you time and ensure you cover all necessary components. A well thought out business plan is your roadmap to success. Step 3. Build your online presence. Establishing a professional online presence is vital for your online business success. Start by choosing a domain name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. A catchy and relevant domain name will make it easier for potential customers to find you and return to your site. Next, utilize website builders like Wix or Shopify to create your website. These platforms offer user-friendly setups, allowing you to design a professional-looking site without needing extensive technical skills. Focus on creating an intuitive layout that showcases your products or services, and ensure your site is mobile-friendly to reach a broader audience. Once your website is up and running, it's time to engage with your audience on social media platforms. Choose the platforms that align with your target audience, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Regularly post content that resonates with your followers, such as tips, behind-the-scenes looks, or customer testimonials. Building a community around your brand not only fosters loyalty, but also encourages word-of-mouth marketing. By combining a strong website with active social media engagement, you'll create a robust online presence that attracts and retains customers. Step 4. Launch your business. Launching your online business is an exciting milestone, and having a solid plan in place will help you attract those initial customers. Start by creating a marketing strategy that incorporates email campaigns and social media promotions. Use email marketing to reach out to your contacts and inform them about your launch. Craft engaging content that highlights your unique offerings and encourages them to visit your website. To entice early customers, consider offering introductory discounts or free trials. These incentives can create buzz around your launch and encourage potential customers to try your products or services without a significant financial commitment. Once your business is live, actively monitor customer feedback. Pay attention to reviews, comments, and messages across your platforms. This feedback is invaluable for understanding what your audience loves and what may need improvement. Be prepared to adjust your offerings based on customer responses to enhance their experience and satisfaction. By implementing a thoughtful marketing strategy, providing enticing offers, and being responsive to feedback, you'll set the stage for a successful launch that attracts and retains your first customers. Get ready to celebrate your new venture. Step 5. Analyze and optimize. Analyzing your business performance is crucial for long-term success and growth. Start by using analytics tools to track website traffic and customer behavior. Platforms like Google Analytics can provide insights into how visitors interact with your site, which pages are most popular, and where your traffic is coming from. This data is essential for understanding what's working and what needs improvement. In addition to analytics, gathering customer feedback is vital. Encourage your customers to share their thoughts through surveys, reviews, or direct communication. This feedback can help you identify areas for improvement, whether it's enhancing your product offerings, improving customer service, or refining your website's user experience. Once you have this information, continuously refine your marketing strategies based on performance data. If certain campaigns are underperforming, don't hesitate to adjust your approach. Experiment with different messaging, visuals, or channels to see what resonates best with your audience. By regularly analyzing your performance and making necessary adjustments, you'll not only enhance customer satisfaction, but also drive growth and profitability for your online business. Remember, optimization is an ongoing process that can lead to sustained success. In conclusion, we've explored the essential steps to starting your online business effectively. We began with identifying your niche, ensuring it aligns with your interests and market demand. Next, we discussed the importance of creating a solid business plan that outlines your goals, target audience, and marketing strategies. Then, we moved on to building your online presence through a professional website and engaging social media platforms. After that, we highlighted the steps to successfully launch your business and attract those initial customers. Finally, we emphasize the importance of analyzing your performance and optimizing your strategies for continuous growth. Remember, taking action and staying committed to your goals is key to your success. The journey of entrepreneurship can be challenging, but with determination and the right strategies, you can achieve your dreams. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on online business. Don't forget to like and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Your support helps us create more resources to guide aspiring entrepreneurs like you. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care